Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 840G8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook 840G8 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to various reasons, such as a faulty battery, power supply problems, or internal hardware failures. If left unaddressed, it could lead to more significant damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to internal components. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by removing the screws located at the back of the laptop, ensuring you keep them organized as you'll need to replace them later. Use the plastic spudger to gently pry apart the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips or connections. Once you have access to the internal components, locate the battery. It's usually situated near the bottom of the device and is held in place by a few screws. Remove these screws carefully, and gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the battery removed, inspect it for any signs of swelling or damage. If the battery appears faulty, replace it with a new one, ensuring that it matches the specifications of the original. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard and secure the new battery in place with the screws you removed earlier. After replacing the battery, it's time to reassemble your device. Carefully align the back cover and press down gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws in their original positions, ensuring they are tightened securely without overdoing it to avoid stripping them. Finally, plug in your device and attempt to power it on. If your HP EliteBook 840G8 turns on successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, ensure that you regularly maintain your laptop, including updating the operating system and keeping the battery charged. Avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures and humidity, as these factors can significantly affect its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.